Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by mapping the 7 days on a single sheet and assign subjects to days based on exam weight and difficulty. Divide study time into 6 one-hour blocks with 15-minute breaks. List high-yield topics and allocate 40% of time to weakest areas. Prioritize formulas, summaries, and problem types that appear most frequently. Create a daily checklist with 6 to 8 tasks and tick them off. Review the checklist at the end of each day and adjust the next day's blocks to cover any missed items. Adopt active techniques that boost retention and simulate exam pressure. Use active recall by closing notes and reciting answers aloud for 20 minutes, then check errors and correct understanding. Practice with 3 full past papers under timed, exam-like conditions to build pacing and identify weak sections. Use spaced repetition by reviewing flashcards every 24 hours and prioritize cards missed more often. Mix problem solving with brief concept review. In the final 24 hours, focus on consolidation, not cramming new material. On the last night, switch to light review and sleep at least 7 hours to consolidate memory. Pack exam essentials: ID, pens, calculator, water bottle, and a printed admission ticket to avoid morning stress. Eat a balanced meal with 50 grams of protein and avoid heavy carbs pre-exam to steady energy. Arrive 30 to 45 minutes early. Do deep breathing for 3 minutes and review one-sheet summary notes calmly before entering the room.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.